Now we will revise the dimensions of a physical quantity. We already studied that there are 7 basic quantities: mass, length, time, current, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Dimensions for length is L, for mass is m, for time is t, for current is A, for temperature its SI unit is Kelvin, so its its dimension is K. Luminous intensity candela, its symbol is CD, mole for mole MOL. Now we will discuss the physical quantity. First one is area. Its formula is length into breadth. Length has dimensions L, breadth has dimension L, it will be L square. There is no mass, no time. It can be written as m to the power 0, L square t power 0. Please note that all the dimensional formula should be in square brackets. Without square brackets, its square root is 0. Similarly, volume. Volume is defined as length into breadth into height. Again, length, breadth, height, all are distances. Its dimensions is L cube. Third one is density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. For mass, dimensions is m. For volume, dimensions are L cube. Dimensional formula is m, L the power minus 3, t raised to the power 0. There are another simple quantities like speed, acceleration, momentum, force, work, energy, power, pressure. Now we will discuss the new one, that is torque. Torque has the formula force into perpendicular distance. You have previously done force has dimension m, L, t raised to the power minus 2. Distance has L. So torque has dimension m, L square t raised to the power minus 2. Next is gravitational constant capital G. In 9th standard, beta, you studied about gravitational constant capital G. F is equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square. You know about it. So G can be written as F into distance square upon m1 into m2, that is mass into mass. Force has dimensions mlt minus 2. Distance square means L square. Mass into mass means m into m. You will get the formula m raised to the power minus 1, L cube, t raised to the power minus 2. Similarly, next formula is impulse. Impulse has formula force into time. Force into time. mlt minus 2 for force into time is t, that is mlt minus 1. Stress has same formula as pressure. When you apply force over an area is called stress, that is force upon area. When you apply stress over an object, there is a strain, means there is a change in length or in volume or in dimensions. Strain is equal to change in dimension upon original dimension, like in length. Change in length upon original length means length cancel, its dimension as m0, L0, T0. Coefficient of elasticity. Coefficient of elasticity has formula stress upon strain. Students, please note that there are 3 types of coefficient of elasticity. That is number 1 Young's modulus, number 2 bulk modulus, number 3 modulus of rigidity. Its details will be studied in the next chapter. Please note down that these 3 quantities has same dimensions. Young's modulus, bulk modulus and modulus of rigidity has dimensions m, L raised to the power minus 1, T raised to the power minus 2. Next quantity is surface tension. Surface tension has the formula force upon length. Students, no need to worry. These formulas are in detail in the next chapters. Please learn these formulas. Surface tension is equal to force upon length. Force has dimension mlt raised to the power minus 2 and length has dimension L. You will get m L raised to the power 0 T raised to the power minus 2. Next is surface energy. Surface energy has dimensions work done upon area. Put the dimensional formula. Next is coefficient of viscosity. This is new for you. Please learn this formula. Force into distance upon area into velocity. Coefficient of viscosity has symbol eta. N ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਲੱਤ ਲੰਬੀ ਉਹਦੀ. That symbol is called eta. Basically its formula is derived from F is equal to neta, that is coefficient of viscosity, area A into velocity upon distance. Basically students, viscosity is the friction between the liquid. Next quantity is angle. You already know that theta is equal to L upon R. Arc upon radius, both has dimensions L. L upon L is 1, that is m0, L0, T0. Now next is angular velocity. Now when the word come angular means in place of distance you will write down angle, because angle is known as the angular displacement. The another name for angle is angular displacement. So velocity has formula displacement upon time, means angular velocity is angular displacement upon time, that is angle upon time. Angular velocity has symbol this W. It is known as omega. Angular velocity is equal to angle upon time, means 1 upon t, that is t raised to the power minus 1. Next is angular acceleration. Angular acceleration means angular velocity upon time, that is t raised to the power minus 2. Next quantity is moment of inertia. Its formula is mass into distance squared, that is ml squared. Similarly, please learn the formulas of all the quantities till 40 and write down the dimensional formula. If you have any doubt, please message me. Thank you.